On December 11th, the PPS School Board voted to approve an intergovernmental agreement that would ensure the presence of armed police officers in Portland schools 5 days per week. Board members Paul Anthony, Scott Bailey, Julia Brim-Edwards, and Mike Rosen voted in favor of the agreement, ignoring the voices of students, parents, teachers, the ACLU of Oregon, and other social justice organizations. Time and time again, we've been told that this agreement and cops in schools are supposed to make us feel safer, but time and time again, we've been told by students that this does the exact opposite.
A lot of families, even if themselves are not immigrants, you don't want to stir up trouble because you could be deported or you could be put in jail. And I think that the younger generation needs to see people like them stand up. So this movement, for me, is setting that example for my sisters.
Personally, my community doesn't feel safe having police, armed police in our schools. School is somewhere where we're supposed to feel safe, and it's a place where we're just supposed to learn. Tenemos derechos y nuestro derecho de vivir en las escuelas y tener un lugar libre de donde sin violencia, sin policías.
Jefferson, I believe, is still one of the only majority black high schools in Oregon. It contributes to the idea that we need policing in schools, especially in a school like Jefferson.
Guns don't make a good learning environment. I mean, how would you feel just being in the classroom with an officer with a gun? Like, I'm trying to do a math test here. Like,
I know that pretty much everyone at my school is uncomfortable with SROs in our building. I go to a school that's predominantly black people and people of color, so I know that especially, like, it's really triggering for a lot of my peers, a lot of my friends. I've even heard like teachers say that they don't want police in schools, they don't want guns in schools.
Please protect kids. I feel like it's taking away funding from things that could actually increase a safe environment, like psychologists and therapists.
SRO, more like SR no.
I would like City Council to listen to the students, and specifically the students of color. Please listen to your community, listen to your students. That's all we've been asking for. Oh, and to vote no. Please, please vote no.
I go to Jefferson High School. Our schools are in disrepair. We don't have as many teachers as we need. Classrooms are overcrowded. We don't have paper, we don't have books, we don't have pencils, computers are broken. There's so many things that we could be spending $5 million on instead of cops.
SRO gotta go.
We are not too young to understand these things, these concepts. We have voices and we demand to be heard. We will not be silenced.